Hi guys, this is Aly Kassam, Director of Product here at OneLedger. We have the OneLedger OneWallet 2.0 coming out. I've just downloaded it from the Chrome store. And so basically it looks like this, what you're looking at my screen. And right off the bat, you can see a few things. We've gotten rid of the username and password, the username rather, as we've now moved to full HD wallet functionality. And all we require is just a password. So you can simply just put in a password, say agree to the terms, and create your wallet. For me specifically, I actually have a wallet on this system. So what I'll do is I'll actually restore it. I can put my 24-word passphrase here, create my own password because the password is just for the UI to enable it and disable it. It doesn't really do anything for the actual words or the generation of the private and public keys. That's all generated from the 24-word passphrase. So this is just for access through the UI for the password. So you can renew the password every time you do this, uninstall the wallet, restore it through your 24-word passphrase, and then change the password as you see fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Pause you guys for a bit and come back because I don't want to be seeing my passphrase. Give me a second here. So I went ahead and I put in my passphrase, I click restore, and automatically I come to this screen. So one thing you'll notice when you're restoring your passwords, guess what? None of the accounts are there. Now this is common for every single wallet because the wallet actually generates the different accounts based on a master account key. And every time you put that passphrase in, it'll generate the same account. So don't worry when you restore your wallet. If it looks like this, just go through the process of adding more accounts or adding the accounts that you have. And essentially, it'll automatically populate them. Well, you'll have to put the password, but it'll automatically populate them with... it'll automatically populate them with the account itself. So there you can see this OLT account has one Ethereum in it and then a bunch of OLT. I can create my next account, which will also have a few funds in there that were there previously from my previous accounts. Again, the password. Okay, and now finally, if I create the third OLT account, you'll notice probably there's nothing in there. I don't think I had 3 in the previous version, but yeah, so it's 0. Now, similarly, you can see that you can also create Ethereum accounts. So my Ethereum account's also populated. So I'm going to create my Ethereum account here, enter my password. Okay, and there you can see my Ethereum account also has funds. So that's the actual creation of the accounts. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. And I'm going to show you guys a send transaction. So this is just basically sending from one wallet to another. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this address, which has, or copy the address that's actually, it doesn't have any OLT in it. So let me copy that, go to my send screen, which will actually ask me which is the account that you want to send from, right? So I select the account I want to send from. So I'll send from the OLT1 to the OLT3. So let's select OLT1. I'm going to put in my address that I just copied for OLT3 account, right? Notice that the address is different from the from account to the to account. And let's just put in 10,000 OLT here. Put my password in. You can see my fees are associated to this. I'll send that off. And then something unique here. So like we have our transaction IDs here. So when you click on that, immediately what you'll see is the Explorer pop up with the transaction itself, tells you what block it's in, who the from address was, who the to address was, and what fees you paid. Flip back here to the account. So here we are at the wallet again. It's going to hit the My Account screen, and you can see that the fees have been deducted from that account. 10,000 has been put into this account. I'm going to go in here and I can actually say my send OLT transaction of 10,000, the fees associated to it, and so on. So that's kind of the demo for creating your accounts and actually moving, being able to do a send transaction. Hit the subscribe button if you want to know more about OneLedger. Make sure you join our YouTube channels, as well as make sure joining our Telegram at OneLedger Tech, and as well as our Twitter at OneLedger Tech.